So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of animations right here which are applied. So if I were to press the play button right here, then you can see that it comes in right here just like this. And it exits out in the same way as well. But what I want right here is, let's say, for example, separate entry and exit. Let me just go ahead and bring in this particular shape right here. And now let's say what I want to do is change around the entry and exit for the animation. So to do that, I'm just going to go to animation right here. And then over here on the side, you can see that separate enter and exit animation is an option. If you were to go ahead and enable it, then you get separate entry animation. So you can choose the duration right here, and then you can go ahead and choose exit as well. You can go for stomp as well, as you can see, and change around the duration as well. So now if I were to go ahead and press the play button from the beginning, so you can see that this is the time that I have. So if I were to press the play button, you can see a certain, let's say, for example, entry animation right here. And then as it approaches the end, you can see that the out animation is different. I can do the same for other objects as well. So I can go around over here onto this object, let's say, for example, then you can choose a different in and out exit right here, just like this. And then you can go ahead and change that out as well. So similarly, you can do the same for all of it right here. So you can go around over here, add in a separate entry and exit, and change around the type of animation right here. If I were to go around over here and press the play button, then that is what you have, as you can see. So you got in animation right here, certain in animation is there, and then you got a separate exit type of an animation right here as it moves forward, just like that, as you can see. And that is how you can use separate enter and exit animation inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.